This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Good! Happy Valentine's Day! Yeah, today's Valentine's Day, which is exciting. I didn't really do that much for Valentine's Day. I wish I did, but I don't really do that much for Valentine's. If I had someone here, I probably would do something for Valentine's for my spouse or whoever. Right now, I am legit making the bacon jam. No distraction. No, nothing. I am making the bacon jam firstly. Make sure you guys check that video. That'd be awesome. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a thumbs up. Try and figure out other video ideas at the same time because why not? So I'm gonna make the bacon jam for this time. So talk to you guys then. So right now we are just making the bacon jam right now. So you're just cooking the bacon up. So that's what we're doing. So talk to you guys then. While we are waiting for the bacon, we are gonna, it's on heat. So I'm gonna cut up an onion because I need to do like that. So talk to you guys then. The bacon looks so good. Woo! That's so disgusting, you guys. That's only 2 slices of bacon. That's it. How much grease it is. Wow. It's weird that you put the bacon back. So this one is you add coffee, black coffee, which is kind of weird. And then you add brown sugar, which is kind of weird, but hey, I'm not complaining. And then you add maple syrup, half a cup of maple syrup, and then cider vinegar, apple cider vinegar, 1/3 apple cider vinegar, and then Rosanna. Oh, how do you pronounce it? Not too much. And supposedly you have to add bacon. Yeah, bacon you have to add now. Which looks so good right now, I could eat it. But it's for the bacon jam, so I'm gonna just keep it in there. There we go. There's the bacon. And then you stir it until it boils. For some reason. I'm just going by what the recipe says, so talk to you guys then. Ha! I stole the bacon. Ha! Another kind of jam that we were gonna make today whenever I get a chance when I have to wait for a whole hour for this to do it. Looks gross. Kind of, but hey, maybe it's good. I have never tried it before, so it's something new. I just looked up weird combinations for whatever I look up. So blank versus I look up some ideas on weird combinations. That's how I come up with the ideas too. And then I look up weird combinations of blank, like whatever kind of, if I want to make jam or meatloaf or whatever kind I like. And then I go buy that. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So hopefully everything goes good. So talk to you guys then. Bacon jam's ready! Yeah. It's really watered down. Hold on. Look at this. That looks so weird texture. Taste it and see. Hopefully it tastes good. And then just put in there. Oh shoot. I made a mess, you guys. Of course I made a mess. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done cleaning this up. Right now we are just making more soda jam, which looks so good. So it's really neat how I can just do like this, make some crazy jams and make some crazy experiments and see what happens. So that's pretty cool. So talk to you guys then. So these are the jams I made just a few minutes ago. So this one's bacon, right over here. This one's actually pop jam, which I still have Coke left over, so I don't know what I'm gonna do right now with it. But I'm gonna do some stuff, experiments with them together sometimes. Like I'm gonna make some jam. I didn't make white jam and crab apple and stuff, so why not? Why not try to experiment with some stuff, other stuff? So talk to you guys then. So I'm just heading to my parents' place, so I'm just heading there right now, so talk to you guys when I get there. We are having cheesy dogs, we are having peas, sidekicks, and then dessert, we have cake, and
Strawberries in it?
is there strawberries in it?
Yeah, strawberry.
Okay, strawberries gonna be in it too, so that's what we're having, you guys, so. Hey guys, so right now, we're gonna do some, I'm gonna grab some stuff outside because we are gonna do something with snow. Sometime. I made you know nothing's happening, but I got a glass of something right here. So that's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna isolate, then get it in the freezer, so it stays nice and cold for now, and see what happens. This is gonna be a new challenge I just came up with too. So we are gonna try it. Well, it goes. Trying to figure out a spot to put it in the freezer without breaking because I don't want the glass to break either. Because that would not be good. Okay, let's do the experiment. Sometime. Okay, there you go. Found room in the freezer. So right now I'm just gonna end today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Just got home from my parents. So, and study too. So talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video that's up in the on it. Hope you guys enjoy this episode. Make sure you guys check the any videos that you guys did redo. Make sure you guys check the click the click anything comes to your mind. So talk to you guys then. Bye.
Give it a thumbs up.